As we were headed at the city, I noticed a big, massive field full of pretty much nothing. And then we encountered a larger field full of just corn. And I was just saying to myself, wow, what if Ethiopia had the seeds and roots needed? Oh, what a bountiful harvest of crops of sustainability that it'll provide for all of the communities, all of the locals. I'm talking about all of humanity can benefit from planting seeds, gathering seeds, saving seeds, bartering seeds, bartering fruits and veggies, roots, to be able to replenish the land. Look at all of this land with nothing but corn. I know corn is a source of food, but at the same time, corn is starchy type of food. It's not the best vital food needed for survival, needed to replenish the minerals and mineral deficiencies human beings possess. So mouths and mouths and mouths of just corn. That's why it's imperative to save your seeds for this present time and the future time, because it's needed. Seeds and roots are needed everywhere. But here, it can change so many lives drastically with all of this land. Also, I wanted to add, corn raises blood sugar and causes digestive issues. So moderation is best, though we all need to be planting and consuming sustainable, nourishing, mineral-filled fruits, veggies, and grains. This will provide a flow of vitality within our communities and humanity. So start saving all of your seeds, roots, and if you can, donate seeds and roots to the communities needed to provide and recreate the Garden of Eden for all of I and I's everywhere. This whole world can be the Garden of Eden again. Let's restore, revive, and replenish our earth.
Restore the Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and/or donations to be successful. Your generous donation will help us create a lush, self-sustaining food forest that not only nourishes our body, but also nourishes our spirits. By supporting this project, you are investing in a healthier, greener future for everyone. Together, we can cultivate a space that brings people together, teaches valuable skills, and sustain our community for years to come. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey.